Well, folks, this is Steve AB4EL. First, I'll do the shady side. When you see wheel covers like that, yeah, that's what I noticed when I drove in. Let me sit on the rock for a second. And the chromeless, pardon my camera work, the chromeless front. What's the make? I've only seen one other of this make, and it's the Cybertruck. And I've seen it a couple times in the Aldi parking lot in Asheboro. Quick, what's the brand? You hear about the entrepreneur's name every day. He can't stay out of the news. Ferrelli. And we're looking at the suspension under there. So quick, what is it? Ferrelli Scorpion. Can you spell? Can you spell? As far as I know, this is the first one I've seen up close. Where do you put the gas in? I didn't see where you put the gas in. Or where you hook up the electricity. Is this yours?
Hey there, how's it going? Yeah.
How do you connect the electricity?
So it's got a little input right here. So you just plug it up.
First time seeing the sedan.
Okay, yeah.
I've seen the Cybertruck in the Aldi parking lot a couple of times.
Yep.
But this is the first time I've seen the limousine.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, that's great. Okay.
Yeah, I love it. It's been
Thank
great.
you.
It's my first electric vehicle, but yeah, it's been nice. All right, yeah.
Very good. I started in 1949 Ford, and I wish I had it again.
I know. I wish I had a '96 Jeep was my first car.
Okay, you understand what I'm talking about. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful. Steve AB4EL, just having fun, saying see you in 73.